Yes, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Keep yourself muted. Okay, we are going to start the chapter number 6. And uh, Rajdeep ma'am, are you there? Rajdeep ma'am, are you there? Kindly raise hand, Rajdeep ma'am, if you're there. So, okay, I'll wait for a few minutes more for Rajdeep ma'am, then I'll make her host. By the time we are going to start the chapter, I'm going to share the screen first. Yes, by the time you have to tell me name of a few animals which live in your locality. Write it in the chat box. Name of a few animals which you find in your locality. आपकी locality में जो भी animals you can write, you have to write in the chat box. Yes, very good. Yes, dogs, cats, birds, cows. Be active and smart and participate. Okay, through the chat box. Yes, dog, cat, cows. Can you name a few insects also, which you can see at your home in your garden? Yes, lizard is also there. Sparrows, very good. Bees, yes. Mosquitoes, very good. Housefly, good. Bees, yes. Argon ant and cockroach, yes. Good. Okay. Yes, very good. Clear? Now
Ma'am.
look at this animal and write down the name of this
Yes.
animal. And you have to keep yourself muted, beta.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
जी
मैम अभी तक आपने कहाँ तक करवाया है मैम मेरा ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा था
Number 6, beta. Open it. Page number 61.
ओके मैम
Okay. Chapter number 6. Name is the snail. Okay. Then uh, what is there on the back of this animal? You are looking at this animal. There is something. Yes. This is the hard shell. Very good. Okay. It is made up of calcium. And what is the function of this? How does it help the animal? It protects the animal. Okay. When it finds some danger is there, जब इसको कोई खतरा लगता है from the enemy, from the predator, then it keeps itself inside the shell. Okay. So this is the special feature of this animal. And there are animals. There are variety of animals which are having special features which help them to live successfully in the yes, next is what do you mean by this habitat?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. what do you mean by the term habitat? Habitat is the surrounding where an organism lives. Now, can you tell me the name of, can you tell me the habitat of this animal? Yes, can you tell me the habitat of these animals? Look at this. And you have to tell me what is the habitat of these animals. Where do they live? Habitat means the surrounding where an organism lives. Yes, write it in the chat box. What is the habitat? Yes, water. Can we use another term for the animals which live in water? Write it. What do we call the animals which live in water? जो पानी में रहते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Aquatic. Very good. So all these are aquatic animals. Hardly 10 to 11 students are writing in the chat box. I need all of you. Okay, be very active and smart and participate through the chat box. Yes, Krishang, very good. These are aquatic animals. Okay, they live in water. And now look at this. What do we call the animals which live in air? They spend most of the time in air. Yes, they spend most of the time in air. We call them aerial animals. Very good. Okay, can you write the names of a few aerial animals? One or two are in front of you. Eagle, hawk, sparrow, crows. Very good. Yes. So some of the animals, they live on trees. We call them arboreal. Clear? Like monkeys, they spend most of the time on trees. Clear? So these animals, they live on, they spend most of the time on the trees. We call them arboreal. And then after that, some of the animals, they live on land. We call them, what do we call them? जो land पे रहते हैं animals, what do we call them? What do we call the animals which live on land? Terrestrial animals. Very good. Clear? Terrestrial animals. Terrestrial or land animals. And there are different habitats under this category. इस category में बहुत से आते हैं habitats like mountain habitat, forest habitat. Okay? We will study all this in this chapter. So, habitat is the place from where the organism meets its all the requirements. What are our main requirements? Food, water, shelter from the weather, and place to breed. Place to breed means they reproduce, okay, they produce their own kind. They give birth to the babies. Okay, all these requirements are fulfilled. Okay, we need habitat to live from where we fulfill our needs. Okay, our basic needs like food, air, water, shelter from weather, and it is also a place where breeding takes place. All animals, they give birth to the young ones. Okay. Next, habitat is mainly of two types, terrestrial and aquatic. Main two types are there, and under the terrestrial or land, there comes forest, okay, then forest, desert, mountain, etc. Some animals which live in forest, their habitat is forest. And some animals, they live in desert. They are having some special features which help them to live in desert. Can you name an animal which lives successfully in the desert? Can you name an animal which lives very good? It is camel. Okay, camel has special features which help to live it successfully in water, sorry, in desert. And some animals, they live successfully in mountains. Write the name of animals which live on mountains where the climate is extremely cold. Yes, polar bear is there. तो पोलर बियर की भी कुछ अडेप्टेशंस होती हैं, उनके भी कुछ स्पेशल फीचर्स होते हैं which help it to live over there. Can you write one or two? Yes, they have thick fur, very good. And they have thick layer of fat also under the skin. That's why it can live it, that helps it to live successfully in the mountain. Okay, very good. Brahmjot knows कि we call it blubber. जो फैट की लेयर है उसको हम कहते हैं blubber. Okay, blubber is there which help to keep it hot. It keeps it warm during the extremely cold conditions. Okay, then next, aquatic. Aquatic may be, we can categorize the aquatic habitat into oceans, seas, and fresh water. Okay, oceans and seas, they have salty water, and fresh water is there in the lakes, ponds, rivers. Okay, so aquatic is again divided into seas, oceans, and fresh water. Good. So we have seen that all animals, they have certain special features which help them to live successfully, okay, in the habitat. Like desert में रहने वाले animals की different special features होंगे, वो वहाँ पे उन्हें help करेंगे to live successfully. And जो salt water में रहते हैं animals, उनके certain different features होते हैं, और जो fresh water में रहती हैं उनके कुछ special adaptations होती हैं. Adaptations means special features. Okay. So, special features which help the organisms to live successfully in the habitat are called adaptations. This you have done in the earlier classes also. Hope everything is cleared by now. If some concept is not clear, so you can ask me through the chat. No need to write something else. Okay, except what I'm asking. Who is writing BFF is not, you are not supposed to write these type of questions. Okay, rename your ID. Who is there? So, what is adaptation? What do you mean by adaptations? It is the tendency of an organism to live successfully in the habitat. Clear? Yes, Pushpinder.
Yes.
Yes, beta, you want to say something? You have raised hand. If some query is there, so you can ask in the end also, okay? So keep yourself muted by the time. If something is related to habitat or adaptation, so you can ask me right now. No? Okay. So next is We are going to do all these types of habitats in brief. First of all, we will discuss about the terrestrial habitats or land habitats. First one is the forest. Forest, you know, these are the large areas which are thickly populated with trees. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे trees grow करते हैं. Clear? So these are the large areas where with thickly populated trees. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे पेड़ होते हैं. Long trees are there. Then shrubs are there. Then herbs are there. Okay, some grasses they also grow on the land under the shrubs. So different types of trees are there. And what type of climate is there? Climate वहाँ पे कैसा होता है? It is moderate. Moderate means it is not extreme, neither very hot nor very cold. वहाँ पे ना तो बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी होती है और ना ही बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है. It is medium. Moderate means medium. Okay. So it is not extremely hot or not neither extremely hot nor extremely cold. It is means मीडियम होता है. जहाँ पे जो बारिश होती है वो भी मीडियम होगी, हॉटनेस ओके वो भी मीडियम होगी. तो वहाँ पे जो क्लाइमेट है इट इज़ मॉडरेट. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी भी नहीं होगी और बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी भी नहीं होगी. एंड फूड इज़ इन गुड अमाउंट. A lot of trees are there. When lot of trees are there, grasses are there, so number of herbivores will be there. Deer will get the trees, grasses to eat, and there will be carnivores to eat the herbivores. So when plenty of food is available, then a number of animals will live over there. So which animals are there? There are lions, tigers, bats, bear. They live successfully in the forest. Okay? So apes are there, deer is there. You can write some other names which are not written in this list. Is this list में जो names नहीं है you can write. Okay? Yes, deer is there which are not written. Moles, yes, very good. Monkeys are there, squirrels are there. They live on the trees. Some animals they live on the trees like gorillas, monkeys and squirrels. Okay, goats are there, snakes are there. Snakes live on land. Clear? Some snakes they live on trees also. So some small animals also there. We call them bugs, rats, beetles, etc. Okay, they live on the forest floor. Forest floor means the area where leaves fall. They live under the leaves. जो dead leaves होती हैं plants की वो forest में forest floor बनाती है. Grasses are there, over there leaves are there, dead leaves. Okay, which decompose, droppings of the animals are there. So many small animals, insects, they live on the forest floor also. So it is full of life. Everywhere greenery is there, grasses are there, trees are there. A number of animals live in the forest. They compete with one another. Clear? So can you write some other names of the animals which live in the forest? Yes, very good. Jaguar, leopard, goat, lion तो लिखा हुआ है अनुप्रीत. Lion के spelling ठीक नहीं है बेटा. Honeybees live on trees. Yes, they make beehives. Okay, apes are there. Cheetah is there. Good. Yes. Okay, so this is the forest and it comes under the category of terrestrial habitat. Now next is the desert. Okay, so desert receives very little rainfall, almost dry and hot with very little vegetation. जहाँ पर trees बहुत कम होते हैं. Why? Because there is no rainfall or less rainfall. Good. Okay, Jashandeep, there is no rainfall. She has written. Good. If you participate actively, is good. It means you are listening, and keep your videos on. Yes. Tript Jot, unmute yourself. Tript Jot. Yes, beta, unmute yourself. No. Pushpinder. Pushpinder, beta, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Ji, beta. Can you name a few animals which live in the desert?
Ma'am, camel,
Camel,
rattlesnake,
rattlesnake, very good. Other students can write in the chat box. Yes. Yes. Some of the students are writing cactus also. Yes, good. Cactus is a plant. We are talking about animals, okay? Although cactus is well adapted to grow in the desert because it requires less water to grow, okay? It can grow, it can live without water for many days because it can store water in it. Its succulent stem is there. Yes, other animals are very good. I'm talking about animals. Yes, insects. Which birds? Camel is there, rattlesnake, squirrels are there. Yes. Okay. Camel is the ship of the desert because we find it commonly. Okay, it's a common animal of the desert. हम इन्हें डेजर्ट में देख सकते हैं, अक्सर देखते हैं इनको डेजर्ट में, और इसके स्पेशल फीचर्स होते हैं. What are the special features of camel which help it to live successfully? Yes, Avisha, unmute yourself. Avisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Anji beta. Yes, can you tell me some special features of camel? Camel के कौन से features हैं which help it to live over there?
Camel store food in his hump
It stores
to
fat.
live in desert.
ये जो food खाता है, okay, तो it is stored in the form of fat after digestion. It is converted into fat and it stores fat in the, yes, Arshdeep.
Hump.
Arshdeep,
Ma'am, it has padded feet.
Anji,
Ma'am, it has padded feet.
it has padded feet. Very good. It can walk on sand easily. Clear? Yes.
Ma'am.
Meet one more feature of camel.
Ma'am, and long ma'am, and long eyelashes.
Yes. Yes, eyelashes are long. Permeet, one more. Permeet. Yes, Simran. Unmute yourself, beta. One more feature. It can live without water for many days. Its skin is very thick, okay, which help it to survive during extreme hot climate. जब बहुत hot weather होगा, it will help it to survive. Okay, long eyelashes, thick lips are there which help it to eat the bushes, thorny bushes. Clear? So it lives successfully in desert. Then some other animals which live over there, some insects are there, spiders are there, and there are some birds, rattlesnake, some small animals are also there like squirrels. Okay, and if we talk about the polar regions, so polar regions may bear is there. Okay, and as you have told me, polar bear has thick fur on its body which help it to live successfully during the during the extremely cold conditions. Very cold areas, and the skin of these animals is covered with thick fur, like polar bear, seal, sea lion, okay, penguins are there. They have thick fur on the body to protect themselves against the cold. Okay, so your next class will start over there. Okay, so we have started the class late, so I'm going to end the class. We will continue it, and you have to read the chapter up to page 63 under the heading Polar Regions and Mountains. Okay, read it, and if some query is there, so you have to tell me. Okay, so okay beta.